All right, let's test it. Here we go.
We're digging a trench. As you can see, we're plumbing up this well here to this tank.
That works.
There's enough to do to keep everybody busy.
So this is the temperature reading right here.
We're trying to find the center so we can mount it on the post.
There we go.
It's raining and it's wet, but it's good. We're helping people. A bridge. It's pretty cool.
Engineering is a team sport.
It takes a community. It really means a lot here.
The community is going to be, wow, we never thought we could build a bridge, but they did, right? They did it. So now they're going to know that they can do a lot of other things, whatever else is important to the community.
I got involved with environmental engineering so I could make a difference in the lives of people.
It's such a diverse field that you can have all kinds of different interests and it'll fit somewhere.
Have you ever thought about the impact of engineers on your life? If not, please continue watching this video. You have plenty to know.
I'm sure you like Formula 1 racing. Now think about those powerful engines of these high-speed cars.
Manufactured very carefully by mechanical engineers, all your cars, and hey, even the machines that make your car engines are made by mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineering is defined as the harnessing of energy, whereas some people think of mechanical engineering as engines or something like that. Of course, engines are a big piece of mechanical engineering, but engines harness energy, so do solar cells and electronic devices. The extensive operation of machines covering from the ceiling fans in your rooms, fridges, and to the factory that makes your pencils is an outcome of mechanical engineering. It's almost everywhere.
Whenever you fall sick, you go to a doctor who prescribes you medicines. But who makes those medicines?
Chemical engineering applies physical sciences and life sciences alongside mathematics and economics to produce, transform, and properly use chemicals, materials, and energy. Since it produces materials, every fabric that we use is chemically treated and transformed into that material formed by chemical engineers.
The fertilizers for your crops and even your very own detergents are made by chemical engineers. It helps process and manufacture large-scale and sustainable materials for everyday use. Without this, nothing would actually be the way it is. Not even waste management or recycling. It has gone further into genetics and is rapidly advancing.
Losing chemical engineers would create problems such as no fuel, as no one would be able to treat crude oil and change it into diesel and petrol. This also means an energy crisis. No consumer products like plastic and detergents, and no materials would be produced, so basically there would be no industry.
Let's look at civil engineering. This deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the environment, including structures and materials, transportation of people and goods and water and air quality, to name a few. The society will always be expanding, and the demand for the construction of dams, bridges, buildings will be infinite. Think of civil engineers every time you turn on your tap to drink clean water, flick on your lights or open your refrigerator, drive to work on roads and bridges through synchronized traffic lights, take a flight for a vacation, or toss your empty coffee cup in the recycling bin. This is civil engineering, designing, constructing, and maintaining everything in your life, making cities more beautiful and our lives much fancier.
You are probably using your computer or cell phone right now, which runs on electricity. But who makes it possible?
Without electrical engineers, our society wouldn't have any electricity to use. We wouldn't have society as we know it. No electrical power, lighting, or communication systems, or any of the devices that are run by electricity.
Yes, indeed. Dubai won't look this nice without electricity, would it?
So basically, we flick your life on. All your appliances consume electricity, and electrical engineers not just design these appliances, but also the very source of energy, that is, the power networks.
It didn't just stop there. Mechatronics was coined in 1969, and there began a new era.
An era of innovation alongside economic solutions. The era with 3D printing and a life actually written in the form of codes. Cell phones turned into smartphones, and everything was possible using a mobile app.